what kind of value that AI is going to bring for the financial sector. Financial sector has always been an early adopter when it comes to any kind of technology. So, and I'm sure even with the AI, they will continue to follow the trend. And the other good thing with financial sector is they have always democratized access to opportunity. So irrespective of the size of the vendor that they are operating, if we get to meet certain criteria that they have always maintained, all of us will have an opportunity to partake in this process and get to create a win-win situation both for us and also for our financial sector customers. Now that we know that there is an opportunity for both sides to have a role to play, I also wanted to clarify that today, for all the noise that we are seeing in AI, I have always maintained that the significant chunk of acceleration has happened in terms of how LLMs have matured. In addition to that, two more aspects that I have kind of missed in the previous iteration to point out are with respect to computer vision and what has happened with respect to audio models. And I definitely see financial sector taking advantage of activating all these three options to gain a benefit, be it activating data, be it activating experiences both respect to voice and text, and be it activating software delivery too. So in all these three different planes of growth, we can expect financial sector to take advantage of the transformation that AI can bring on. Now, having clarified on that, I definitely see a lot of excitement in putting the current growth that LLMs have in terms of performing zero-shot regression. What I mean by that is in the previous iteration and in the previous world, machine learning models were bespoke models that were built by using data that was handed over by the financial sector that is specific for that particular financial sector. So there has to be some level of model training that needs to happen, which means that we need to do feature engineering. There was significant amount of investment that had to be put in, like capital cost, before we start getting value out of these models. But what LLMs can do is take away the need to perform training, take away the need to perform feature engineering, and the whole gamut of prep work that needs to go in terms of building these models. Now, by doing zero-shot regression, if zero-shot regression can indeed create the same kind of value that the older machine learning models can do, there is another important problem that we also get to address, and that is explaining why a particular decision has been made, be it with respect to offering loans or be it increasing the principal for a particular loan, why the model has decided to offer a specific value or a specific weight for these use cases that I've just talked about. The explainability of the rationale in offering this final outcome is also becoming a possibility. So, two birds in one stone. If zero-shot regression becomes a possibility, explainability will also get added to the mix. So there is significant amount of excitement that I have in terms of exploring the possibilities in using LLMs to do forecasting and optimization for the kind of problems that financial sector has. In addition to this, I think marrying reporting by allowing reporting to happen through interaction in a natural language manner, the NLP way, by either using voice or by text, is also something that I'm really keen on exploring in terms of how AI can help financial sector to gain value. It's just not us alone. I'm sure the entire world will also be taking note of the advancements that we are seeing in AI. And I think these are all the pathways through which we can expect a progress to happen as far as financial sector related value creation through AI is concerned. That's my take. Let's see where this goes.